Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and in this video we're going to unbox the brand new Sony A80K OLED TV. This is the follow-up to last year's A80J. We're going to take a look and see what comes in the box and then give you our first impressions, so stay tuned. Okay, so here are all of the accessories that come in the box. Starting off, we've got all of the paperwork. Next to that are some spacers for if you're going to be mounting this TV to the wall, followed by the newly redesigned remote and some batteries for that one. Then we've got a power cord that's going to plug into the back of the TV. Then you have your pedestal feet, finally followed by the input cover here. So, no surprises here. The A80K is just as good as we thought it was going to be, being the replacement for the A80J. There are a few little tweaks. It wasn't a major shift from the J to the K, but there are a few little things that are different, which we are going to address in that full overview video. So make sure you stay tuned for that one. As always, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.